How to fix Wizz app not working. So you might be having issue on accessing the application Wizz. It might be because your application is not up to date. So what you want to do is head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Wizz. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. If that's the case, then all you want to do is click on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. In here, move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. Search for the application Wizz. Once you have found it, move into it. Click on offload app. Once again click on offload app. Uploading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will make your application run smoothly, and it might fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Wizz app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.